This is a 2010 Acura TSX 4-cylinder engine, K24, I think. So I'm going to change the drive belt. My son just got this last week. So the belt seems to be in a good shape, but I'm going to change with the OEM bando. It's a 14 millimeter for the tensioner, and the belt routes from the crank pulley directly to the AC compressor at the bottom, and then comes over here, wraps around the idler onto the what is this? This is the alternator, and then goes over the pulley and goes back. It's a very simple routing. So to start with, I'm gonna to show like this here. You just 14 millimeter, you pull it away from the engine towards the front, and then should be able to get the belt off. Put this on the tripod so I can get the belt off. Second try. The tension is hitting the motor mount. Yes. Should be able to pull it off. So that's the issue. The tensioner is actually hitting the motor mount. When I pull it back, it stops because it's bumping into the motor mount. Let's see. Try getting it off here. Usually it wouldn't be this difficult. Kind of interesting. I have to remove the motor mount. Yeah, I was able to get it from the alternator pulley. Okay, the belt's off, and I think it's easy to, I don't know if I can put my hand in there all the way. So I take the belt off from here, but then I have to go down, get the wheel off, and then it's easy to access from the bottom. Here's the new belt. It's a OEM bando. Just want to make sure the belt is the same size as the original. There we go. Same size. I have taken the front passenger wheel off, and here is the crank pulley. I have the new belt router, and then there is the compressor at the bottom, and then it goes over the idler pulley, and I can finish it up on the top. So I have the new bando belt on. The old one is there, and this is what I had to do to make it work. So I had it routed around here over this idler, and then I was able to slip it on. It was tough, but finally I was able to get it on. Now it's all seated. But we just turned the car on. We're taking a look, see how the belt is fitted properly. No issues. And we're good to go.